In this video, I will show you how you can activate swipe typing on any iPad. If you want to type on the keyboard of your iPad using swipe gestures, now to enable this feature, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Keyboard. Now on the screen, just scroll down and enable the toggle for slide on floating keyboard to type. Now if this toggle is disabled, just enable it just like that. And after you do that, you will be able to type using swipe gestures on the keyboard of your iPad. But just keep in mind that this feature will only work on the floating keyboard. As you can see, this feature is currently not working, but as I enable the floating keyboard, the swipe typing will be enabled on my iPad, just like that. If you want to use swipe typing on the full keyboard of your iPad, so in that case, you will have to download a third-party keyboard on your iPad. To do that, just open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now you can download any keyboard on your iPad, but for this video, I will install Gboard. But you can also install Microsoft Keyboard or any other keyboard which you prefer. Now I will install Gboard. Once your preferred keyboard is fully downloaded, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just go back to the General Settings, and from here, just tap on Keyboard. Under the Keyboard Settings, just tap on Keyboards, and from here, just tap on Add New Keyboard. From this list, just select Gboard. Now after you add Gboard to the keyboard list, then just go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your iPad. Now from here, just tap on the globe icon over here, and you will switch to Gboard. Now after you switch to Gboard, you will be able to use swipe typing on your keyboard, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.